What's going on, traders? Julian here, J. Lewis Trading, doing a recap for Monday. And I'm going to start off top of the markets with the SPY ETF that tracks the S&P 500. And here it is. Friday, we had a pretty crazy day where price action got below the 50-day simple moving average. As I've been saying, that if we get a confirmation move below the 50, we would probably jump right down to that 100-day simple moving average. But you can see today, markets were actually quite strong, and we completely filled Friday's gap down, and we've closed that space between the 50 and the 20-day simple moving average. Markets closed up 1.5% for the day. So the S&P 500, along with the other broader markets, are looking pretty darn strong. And with that, we're going to move into reviewing a couple other things that we were looking at today. GBR, pretty big trade today, up almost 50%. You can see that there's this key level right through here that was breached long. If you actually go back a little bit, it's a relatively structured longer term level of resistance at 601. 601 did snap to the upside, and when these levels snap, the biggest question is it going to hold? Is it a fake out breakout? Or are we going to get a hold and a move to the upside? And you can see right through here that price action actually broke long, flagged, confirmed, held 601, and then moved to the upside from there. So lots of great opportunities on GBR, starting with just very simply a breakout with confirmation. So nice little dip buy opportunity through there. That'd be opportunity number one. Opportunity number two would be another dip buying opportunity right off of the VWAP. And personally, I probably would have stayed away from this area, simply being getting a little close to the close of the day. I'm not really big on taking these lower float stocks overnight. A lot of people are. There could be some upside. I personally don't do it. But you can see again, previous high, a previous level structure, broke out, pulled back, held. This is probably the best area to enter. Price actions over the 9, over the VWAP. And MACD was on point. Markets were strong. Sector was strong. Industry was strong. There was no reason not to take this trade. So that's GBR. Again, closed just up about 50%. On the biotech side, HCM, very nice trade to the downside. You can actually see right through here that we double topped off of the 200-day simple moving average on the daily. This thing has nothing but downside ready to go, and you can see nice slide from about 29 and a quarter down into that 26 level. A little bit of a relief rally after hours. Personally, I think that's nothing more than bullshit. You're probably going to see this level right through here hold into tomorrow's open. 27.54 to the downside. Once we take out 26, confirmation that this is still in play. And that is your Monday recap. I'll see you guys on Wednesday and Friday for another market recap. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Julian at JLewsTrading.com.